Here we are at the boss's farm, cutting the grass. This lawn tractor's only a couple years old, but it's all beat to shit because everybody else has been out here cutting the grass. And as anybody knows, it's boring cutting grass. So, you pretend it's something weird. This is like NASCAR. The name of the race is Kiss the Boss's Ass 500. Filming, and this is my twin brother from another mother, John. He brought me coffee. We're pretending it's a NASCAR race. It's called the Kiss the Boss's Ass 500.
Kiss the Boss's Ass 500.